Good day, good day, good day. Welcome to our session. On this session, I'll be doing completing the square, which will apply to grade 12s. So this method of completing the square will allow all the grade 12 learners to find the circle geometry coordinate. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and then go through our old videos, then like and subscribe. So without wasting any time, I'm going to go straight to the method. So here, for example, we're given an example which is having a lot of numbers. I know for some it might look scary when you see it because there are a lot of numbers at the same time. So whenever you're given an equation like this, first thing first, you must always try to rearrange it and have everything which is having x next to each other. For example, you're going to have x squared there and then plus 6x. Just try to have them next to each other, so at least it becomes easy to solve in that manner. That will be plus 6x, and then from the onwards, let's continue with y. So we'll have y squared, which is there, and then this minus 4y there, and then from there onwards, as we know from completing the square method, the number must go the other side. So 12 will jump the bridge and go the other side as it is. That'll be the first step. From there onwards, the number that you are having here, which is your b for each x and also y, because here the aim is we need to get the coordinates. By coordinates, you are referring to having x and y. So for every b value, by b value, we are referring to the number that is next to the x. This number that is next to x here, that will be the b value, and then the number that is next to the y as well will be the b value, because the first number that we get is the a value, and then the same thing here, this will be the a value. So the first thing first, you must open the bracket and then square, and then here for x, we're going to have x as it is, and then whatever the b value is, you must divide that value by 2 now. So you must divide your b value by 2. So for example, we're going to divide 6 by 2 here, and then again same thing will apply for y. Remember, we've got plus there. Same thing applies for y. Open a bracket again, which will have y, and then the b value here for y is -4, so it will be -4 over 2 now. Remember, you must always divide your b value by 2, so -4 over 2, and then you square everything, and then all the changes that we've made so far, it was having 6 over 2 squared and also -4 over 2 squared. We're going to need to go and also add them on the other side now. So it will be 12 plus 6 over 2 squared now. Just put a bracket there. So it will be 12 over 6 over 2 squared, and then plus also plus the other one will be -4 over 2 squared. Remember, this one will be -4 over 2 squared, -4 over 2 squared there. Then you put the value as it is. So from here onwards, you need to go and find the answer for this whole number, and then these ones will remain as they are. So it will come back as x, and then to save yourself time, we know 6 divided by 2 is 3, so it will be x plus 3 here squared, plus then for the second one, we know -4 over 2 will be -2, so it will be x, so it will be y minus 2 squared as our second value. Then you square that, and then from here onwards, just need to go and put all the values as they are on the calculator. So you need to go and put all the values as they are on the calculator, so that you can get the corresponding value for that one. So you need to go and put the values as they are on the calculator and get the value, which will be an accurate value that we're getting. So just go and put the values as they are and see what that is giving us. So we're going to have 12, that will be 12 plus, that will be 3, that will be 9, so it will be 12 plus 9, 12 plus 9 plus negative 2 squared is 4. So that will be 25. So our value here will be 25. So that will be our value, which will be 25. So with circle geometry, we know we would have simplified our equation that would have been given to us, because they would have asked us to find the coordinates as well as simplifying to get other solutions. So first thing first, when you're having the equation like that, just have to go and divide both sides by the negative, or if it's negative, then from there onwards you can add everything as they are. So that will be our values here. So x will be with plus 3 because of this. So meaning the x coordinate here, because they were having plus 3, here it becomes minus 3. So the x coordinate of that circle geometry will be minus 3. And then there, because it's minus 2, it will come back as 2. So this will be the circle coordinates. And then we know that this side will be your r squared now. So your r squared will be 25. But then if they want us to find the value of r, so meaning r will be square root of 25, which will be 5 now. So your r will be 5 as your radius or distance. So this will be the coordinates that we'll get using the complete the square method now. Thank you. So let me also go to the next one. And before I go to the next one, guys, please don't forget to subscribe now. So without wasting time, let me go straight to the next equation. So with the next equation, remember, same thing must apply. Try to group x together and also y together. So we're going to have x squared, and then we have minus 4x there. And then we're going to group the y's together after that. So we're going to have y squared as it is, and then minus 2y. So it'll be y squared minus 2y together. And then from there onwards, the number that we have is 13. It will go the other side, becomes positive 13. So from here onwards, same thing applies. So you must open a bracket for your x, for example. So we're going to need to open the bracket for our x. So we know that for our x, it's going to be bracket opened. That will be x there. Then we're going to square it. Same thing, we're going to apply a bracket, open a bracket for y as well, because we need to get the y coordinate as well. So we'll open the y bracket as well, and then square it. So now we go and check the b value here. Remember, the number that we get here, that will be minus 4. So same thing applies now. So it will be minus 4 squared now. So we're going to get minus 4 squared. So just have to do minus 4 over 2. So it will be minus 4 over 2. That's our value here. And then here we're going to have it's minus 2 here, so it's going to be minus 1. Sorry, it will be minus 2 over 1. Minus 2 over 2, sorry. Minus 2 over 2. That's our value. And then just go the other side. Just need to add the same values that we just changed now. So it's 13 plus, we know that we're going to have negative 4 over 2 squared now. We're going to have negative 4 over 2 squared. Negative 4 over 2 squared. And then the other one will be negative 2 over 2 squared. So it will be plus also negative 2 over 2 squared now. As our two values, negative 2 over 2 squared. Then from there onwards, that's when you can go and just add those numbers as they are now. So we're going to go and add the numbers as they are. But before we can do that, let's also simplify this side, because we know that 4 divided by 2, that will give us 2. Yeah, that will be 2. So just come back as x minus 2 here now, squared. Just being as x minus 2 squared here. And then here there will be 2 over 2, which you know will be y. So to come back as y minus 1. And then you close the bracket, and then we go and solve that big number. So that big number, just put as it is. So it will be 13 plus negative 4 over 2 squared plus negative 2 over 2 squared. And then when I add that, let me just do it. That's giving me 18. So that will be 18 as our value there. So because with circle, they could be asking for the coordinates, meaning the coordinate for x will be 2. It will come back as 2. And then for y, it will come back as y. So those will be your circle coordinates. And then this whole thing will be your coordinate, which will be x and y. So those will be the circle or center of the circle's coordinate. And then your 18 will be your r squared. So that 18 is your r squared. If they want r or radius, so it means that radius will be square root of 18. So yeah, that will be how you can use copying the square method to find coordinates of the circle, or the center coordinate of the circle, for those ones who are doing grade 12, since you'll be doing circle geometry. And then this only applies to grade 12s, because grade 11s it won't apply to. So yeah, thank you very much guys for your time. And then also don't forget to like and also subscribe and comment if you've got other examples that you might want us to try. Thank you very much guys.